Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick information video about some info and news that's doing the rounds online regarding Windows 11 running on unsupported hardware. Now, as many of you will know, Microsoft does have quite a strict list of system requirements to be able to run Windows 11, especially on older computers. And they do have a list of compatible CPUs that do support the operating system. And although this is the case, as many of you will know, Windows 11 can be run on unsupported hardware and unsupported CPUs. And I do see almost on a daily basis comments on the channel regarding the fact that users are running Windows 11 on older PCs. Now, this can be done because of tweaks to the registry that are registry hacks you can perform to install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. You can also use third-party apps, as many of you will know, like Rufus and Ventoy, to install Windows 11 on those older systems. Now, as reported by DeskModder and Neowin, there are reports now that a user was unable to install Windows 11 on their Intel Core 2 Duo T6500 system, which previously was able to run Windows 11 on that unsupported hardware. And this insider finds himself in the Canary channel, where obviously it's still very early days. But since the release of Windows 11 build 25905, which was a previous Canary channel build that rolled out a couple of weeks ago, the installation has now been blocked on that PC, even though previous builds worked fine with that unsupported CPU. And also there are reports that AMD's Turin 2 P650 also does not work since the release of Windows Canary build 25905. So this could be meaning that Microsoft now is in the early stages of clamping down a little bit harder now and wider on unsupported hardware running Windows 11. Now, as reported by DeskModder, replacing the install.wim Windows image file of previous builds with that of build 25905 also led to the blockage of the installation on those earlier releases. So as mentioned, now it seems that Microsoft in the Canary channel, which is your first point of call in the Insider program, may be in the early phases now of basically starting to block the installation of Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. And it also may be that Microsoft has put other older CPUs on their so-called blacklist. And at this stage, we don't have any more information available. But obviously, just wanted to put it out there because I know a lot of you do, in some cases, run Windows 11 on older PCs and unsupported hardware, although it's not recommended, but just for the purposes of keeping you updated and in the loop. And obviously, if I do get any more wind of any more information and more info does become available regarding Windows 11 not being able to run on unsupported hardware in the future, I will let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.